Welcome to the Quiz Bay. In this video today we will play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Edition before starting. Please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Alright, let's go. Would you rather save the dog or get the mystery gift revealed at the end of the video? Would you rather pee your pants or poop your pants? Would you rather walk on glass or walk on nails? Would you rather eat a raw egg or eat a raw onion? Would you rather earn $1 million per marathon or earn $1 per step? Would you rather bite your tongue or burst your lip? Would you rather talk to animals or control the weather? Would you rather fight Godzilla or fight Kong? Would you rather eat this golden pizza or feed this dog? Would you rather only eat school lunch for a year or only eat microwave food for a year? Would you rather control fire or control water? Would you rather teleport or control time? Would you rather bathe in super hot water or bathe in super cold water? Would you rather kiss Joe Biden or like this video? Would you rather have messy sneakers or have messy clothes? Would you rather give up social media or give up cell phones? Would you rather go to jail for 1 year or go back to school for an extra year? Would you rather have no friends but be rich or have friends but no money? Would you rather live underwater or live in space? Would you rather grab a cactus or wipe with the devil's toilet paper? Would you rather never drink water or only drink water? Would you rather never play video games or never watch movies? Would you rather never celebrate your birthday or comment your birthday? Would you rather never have to sleep or never be sick? Would you rather have hiccups for a year or sneeze unconditionally for a month? Would you rather have unlimited wealth or unlimited happiness? Would you rather be the funniest person in the world or be the smartest person in the world? Would you rather own a McDonald's restaurant or own a KFC restaurant? Would you rather live without internet or live without electricity? Would you rather sleep without a pillow or sleep without a blanket? Would you rather have a flexible smartphone or have a holographic smartphone? Would you rather own a private island or own an underwater hotel? Would you rather eat spicy foods for a week or eat sour foods for a week? Would you rather go to Mars or visit the sun? Would you rather wear wet socks for an hour or go barefoot for a week? Would you rather swim in the North Sea or live in Antarctica? Would you rather have blurry vision or have black and white vision? Would you rather spend 50 hours in jail or spend 50 hours in a cave? Would you rather be chased by a bear or hug a snake? Would you rather be hit by hail or be hit by lightning? Would you rather meet an angry gorilla or meet a happy shark? Would you rather slip on a banana peel or be bitten by a dog? At the end of the video, reveal that today's mystery gift as a luxury car experience. You could phrase it like this: congratulations, you've unlocked today's mystery gift, a chance to win a luxury car experience. Drop your name in the comment section. A Mocha quiz will honor you in our next video. Stay tuned for more exciting surprises. This aligns with your QuizBay theme and adds a touch of luxury to excite your audience. Would you like further ideas for luxury themed gifts? Car Sparkle,